ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म इन रिलेशन टू देयर इन्वायरमेंट इज कॉल्ड इकोलॉजी। इकोलॉजी से संबंधित जो अध्ययन होती है उसको हम इन्वायरमेंट से वातावरण इन्वायरमेंट से संबंधित जो अध्ययन होती है उसको हम इकोलॉजी बोलते हैं। द टर्म इकोलॉजी वॉज फर्स्ट टाइम यूज्ड बाय ए.जी. टांसेली इन 1935। पहली बार इकोलॉजी शब्द का प्रयोग ए.जी. टांसेली के द्वारा 1935 में किया गया था। नॉन लिविंग कंपोनेंट लाइक एयर वाटर कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स अबायोटिक इन्वायरमेंट, अजीवित कंपोनेंट जो है जैसे कि हवा, पानी, ये सब के संबंध जो है वो अबायोटिक कंपोनेंट से किया जाता है। अबायोटिक इन्वायरमेंट मतलब हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में जो है ये अबायोटिक की श्रेणी में आते हैं। कार्बन पार्टिकल्स इम्प्रेग्नेटेड विथ टार सस्पेंडेड इनटू द एयर इज कॉल्ड सूट। कार्बन पार्टिकल्स जो एयर में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, जो कि हम टार के रूप में बोल सकते हैं, ये होते हैं सूट। इनको हम सूट बोलते हैं, SOOT, यानी कि कार्बन पार्टिकल्स इम्प्रेग्नेटेड विथ टार सस्पेंडेड इनटू एयर इज कॉल्ड सूट। सॉलिड एयर पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड एरोसोल। सॉलिड एयर पार्टिकल्स आर कॉल्ड एरोसोल्स। Natural or artificial reservoir that accumulates and stores some carbon containing chemical compound for an indefinite period are called carbon sink. Respiratory suspended the particulate matter RSPM are the particulate heavier diameter less than 10 micrometer. The crustal component of the earth is known as lithosphere. Loss of fertility, water logging, salinity, soil erosion, floods, and drought are examples of land degradation. The organic material that plants produce is known as biomass. The rate at which an ecosystem's producer create biomass is known as primary productivity. Herbivores are also known as primary consumer. Secondary consumer are also known as carnivorous. Form of production that relies on energy from chemical rather than solar energy to create the organic energy source is called chemosynthesis. Organisms that feed on dead animal and organic waste are called detritovorous. ग्रास इंसेक्ट ग्रास को खाता है, इंसेक्ट को फ्रॉग खाता है, फ्रॉग को स्नेक और स्नेक को हॉक। दिस इज़ एन एग्जांपल ऑफ फूड चेन। अ नेटवर्क ऑफ फूड चेन क्या होता है? फूड वेब। A network of food chain by which the nutrients and energy are passed from one species to the another is called food web. Geographical area that supports a distinctive plant or animal's life is called biocore. In any system of constant mass, energy is neither created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one type to another. This is called first law of thermodynamics. When work is done, energy is dissipated. This is second law of thermodynamics. Who developed the concept of ecological pyramids? Charles Ilton. Ecological pyramid is a geographical representation of a number of organisms, energy relations, and biomass of an ecosystem. Pyramid of biomass is measured in gram per meter square or calorie per meter. When combined weight of a producer is larger than the combined weight of consumer is called upright pyramid. Forest ecosystem in term of biomass is an example of upright pyramid. Pyramid of energy represents the total amount of energy consumed by each topic. Pyramid of energy is always upright. Pyre, Stepis Eurasia, Pampas, South Africa, Wales, South Africa, and are example of temperate grassland. Pyre in North America. Study of ecological species from point of view of single species is known as horticology. Group of individual organisms of the same species in a given area is termed as population. Group of population of different species in a given area is termed as community. Change in an organism so that it is better able to survive or reproduce is called adaptation. Due to eutrophication, biological oxygen demand increases. Eutrophication occurs due to nitrogen and phosphates. Relationship in which a product of one organism has a negative effect on another organism is termed as amensalism. The ability of certain plant to live in dead or decaying organic matter are called saprophytism. Plant which grow on another plant for support are termed as epiphytes. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between a fungus and the robot of vascular plant. Plants are green due to the presence of chlorophyll. Roper, Kanjili and Hareke wetland is located in Punjab. World Wetland Day is celebrated in 2nd February. World Wetland Day is celebrated on 2nd February. Hokera, Surensar Mansar, Somoriri or Ular Lake wetland is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Hokera, Surinsar Mansar, Somorir or Ular Lake. Bhitarkanika mangroves are located in Odisha. Pointa Calimiri Wildlife and Bird Sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu. Astamurdi wetland is celebrated in wetland is in Kerala. About biodiversity. Export and import of endangered species and their products is subjected to a strict control under CITES. CITES, the full form of CITES is Convention on International Trade on Endangered Species, CITES. India has rectified CITES on 20th July 1976. The volume of trade in endangered species is monitored by TRAFFIC. The full form of TRAFFIC is Trade Record Analysis of Fauna and Flora in Commerce. Composition of gas on Earth is nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.93%, carbon dioxide 0.03% or neon 0.0018%. Ozone gas protects the biosphere from UV radiation. Headquarters of UNESCO is in Paris. Monetary form of loss of biodiversity due to climate change is measured in terms of green GDP. Polluters pay for damage caused to environment is polluters pay principle. The International Year of Desert and Desertification is 2006. The organic matter which do not get decomposed after chemical biological process and remain in the environment for longer duration are called persistent organic. The apex advisory body overseeing and guiding the implementation of various schemes of wildlife conservation is Indian Board of Wildlife. Indian Board of Wildlife is headed by Prime Minister of India. Project Tiger was started by Government of India in 1st April 1973 in Corbett National Park, which is in Uttarakhand. Panna Tiger Reserve is located in Madhya Pradesh. Periyar Tiger Reserve is in Kerala. Environment. Skin cancer and eye problem is associated with depletion of ozone layer. Which gas was released in environment during the Bhopal gas tragedy? Methyl isocyanate. Noise pollution is measured in decibel. The radiation pollution is measured in terms of sievert. Chernobyl nuclear disaster occurred in Fukushima, Japan, due to the earthquake and tidal wave. E-waste refer to the waste generated from used electronic devices. Cholera disease happened due to the transmission of cholera through contaminated drinking water and food. Hepatitis is characterized by inflammation of liver, while Japar developed to clean while spliss using a bacteria was developed by Terry, the Energy and Resource Institute. Refrigerators, freezers, and air conditioners are the source of chlorofluorocarbon, which gas is released by the remuneration biomass burning, termites, landfills, and coal mining. Methane. Selling and buying of carbon credit is called as carbon trading. Carbon credit is a permit that allows the holder to emit 1 ton of carbon dioxide. Carbon credit are awarded to the countries or group which have reduced their greenhouse gas below their emission quota. Total set of GHG emission by an organization, event, product or person is known as carbon footprint. Which international agreement called for the phased reduction of CFCs to overcome ozone depletion? Montreal Protocol. Deterioration of physical environment due to biological and anthropogenic factor is termed as environmental degradation. Assessment of nature and extent of any detriment that may be inflicted on any aspect of environment by any process is called as environmental auditing or environmental impact assessment. EIA in India was introduced in 1978. Basel Convention was related to transboundary movement of hazardous waste and their disposal. Thank you. PDF आपको नीचे लिंक से मिल जाएगा.